In this video, we're going to uncover a helpful feature on your iPad that can make reading and learning even easier. Zoom. First things first, let's turn it on. Go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. You'll see a bunch of great tools here, but for now, let's tap on Zoom. Now, simply tap the toggle to turn Zoom on. Did your screen just get huge? To move around your screen while in Zoom, use 3 fingers to navigate. To zoom back out and see the rest of the menu, simply double-tap using 3 fingers to quickly turn Zoom on and off. Now that Zoom is on, let's explore some cool settings that can customize your experience. Follow Focus. If you turn on Follow Focus, your iPad will automatically zoom in on what you're selecting, where you're typing, or even when you're using the keyboard. Smart Typing. Ever been typing and wish the zoom adjusted? Smart Typing does just that. When a keyboard appears, it'll automatically switch to window zoom, giving you space to type comfortably. You also have the option to enable a zoom controller. Tap Zoom Controller, then toggle on Show Controller. You'll see a little gray circle with a dot in the center, and 4 arrows appear. Tap on the Zoom Controller to see what it does. You can zoom in, and drag the slider to control how zoomed in the screen is. You can also set the zoom region and filter. We'll talk more about each of those in just a moment. Back in the Zoom controller settings, you can turn the controller on or off, set what it does when you tap it, and even change its color and how see-through it is. Play around with it to find what works best for you. Next, the zoom region. You can choose Pinned Zoom, keeps the zoomed area in one spot; Full Screen Zoom, zooms in on your entire screen; or Window Zoom, which gives you a movable magnifying glass. And for those who like a different look, check out Zoom Filter. You can choose inverted, grayscale, or even low light to make things easier on your eyes. Finally, the maximum zoom level. This slider lets you decide just how much you want to zoom in. Drag it to the right for a super close-up or to the left for a more subtle zoom. So there you have it. The Zoom accessibility feature on your iPad is a fantastic tool to customize your learning experience and make sure you can see everything clearly. Give it a try, experiment with the settings, and discover what helps you learn best.